Summertime for student activities programs are typically filled with excitement. Student leaders come together to plan themes, assemblies, dances, homecoming, to prepare for an incredible school year. But how do we get ready for a school year when we don't know exactly what it'll look like? How do we plan activities when what's allowed seems to change by the day? While there are a lot of unknowns right now, there are a few things I know to be fundamentally true. I know that your student activities will be needed next year more than at any point in recent history. I know that our activities will need to change. We'll need to innovate what we do to make sure that no student is left out. Finally, I know that student activities will be an ongoing, ever-shifting process, with student leaders needing more support and encouragement than ever before. If student activities are going to look different this next year, then the way in which we train student leaders is going to have to follow suit. So allow me to introduce ENVOLVE In Progress. ENVOLVE In Progress is a live virtual training designed to help student leadership programs during distance learning. Here's how it all works. Students come together for a live screen-to-screen training based in community building and student engagement. Rather than focusing on activities we can't do because of the pandemic, the goal of the training is to help student leaders plan activities for whatever environment they might be coming into, virtually or not. Finally, the training is built to be highly interactive in nature. Rather than simply staring at a screen for hours on end, students are able to interact with one another in real time from the safety of their own homes to plan for the best year humanly possible. While typically a training could stop there, In Progress is built to change and adapt as your school year progresses. Throughout your academic calendar, your activities program will have the chance to schedule and join live virtual response sessions, to plan and alter your activities as necessary to make sure we're being as inclusive as possible. The educational climate we're living in is changing by the second, so our responses have to be flexible, attentive, and compassionate. ENVOLVE has always been about helping student leadership programs create activities that engage everyone. And this year's no different. This year, student activities will be a constant work in progress. So let's get to it.